In today's video, I will show you guys how to use ElevenLabs for free, forever, without any word restrictions. I'll also walk you through how to get rid of this unavoidable message. Now, let's get started. There are two methods through which you can use ElevenLabs for free. The first one is by using multiple email IDs. And here is how to do it. Create up to 5 emails. I believe most individuals already have numerous emails, but if you don't, create 5 or 6 emails. Next, register using a single email address. As you can see that ElevenLabs delivers 10,000 words, limit maximum in 1 month. Once these words have gone out, you will need to sign out and back in again. Select a new email ID than before, and you will be able to receive another 10,000 words. Utilize them, update the email, and so forth. Since the 10,000 word restriction will be renewed after a month. In this way, you will be able to make use of ElevenLabs indefinitely by using these email IDs repeatedly. If this does not work, there is another method to try, and that is to use fake emails. Here's how to do it. Open this website. This website will generate you fake email addresses. Next, duplicate the fake email and use it to sign up for ElevenLabs. Now make a password, whatever you like. Create an account and then click the sign up button. They'll send an email verification code to this email, which you may verify by returning to that website. Following verification, you will be allowed to use ElevenLabs. After using 10,000 characters, you can repeat the process and access ElevenLabs for free. But for some reason, if this does not work and you see this message on the screen, like this one, and you cannot avoid it no matter what you do, then here is how to fix it. Download any free VPN, enable it, and you'll be okay. You will be able to use ElevenLabs again for free. Okay, if these strategies work, that's fantastic. But if it does not, as it generally does, what should you do? Listen, there are hundreds of videos out there claiming to fix this problem. But let's be honest, regardless of any new trick you try, you will eventually receive this message. And this is happening because ElevenLabs AI has become extremely smart and it can instantly detect any type of fraud and hence ban the servers. They further state that if the scam persists, they would cancel the free tier. So what's the solution? As I previously stated, there are numerous ways to use ElevenLabs for free, and regardless of which new approach you use, you will ultimately encounter this notice. So my recommendation for you is that if you're creating short-form content, the free plan should work fine. However, if you're using ElevenLabs to create long-form content, it may be challenging. If you can afford the starter plan, go for it. It is a budget-friendly option. Since ElevenLabs is the only AI tool that offers authentic human-like voices at a reasonable price. I hope you find this information useful. See you in the future video.